You are watching I Show Make Simple. If you are new here, consider subscribing. In today's video, you will learn how to install ChatGPT on your Android phone. Let's get started. First thing you are going to do is to tap on your Play Store. Once you tap on the Play Store, you tap on the search button, then you search for ChatGPT. Then you click on it. Then once you click on it, you are going to tap on the app. Then you tap on install. Then you're going to give it some minutes to install the app on your phone. After you are done installing this, you're going to tap on open. Then you can see that is how I installed ChatGPT. So that is it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to I Show Make Simple for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.